to another Friday, so happy Friday to you. This is a short bulletin on AV Gives Back, and I am giving back once more. And my contact details, once again, in the bottom corner of the screen. And if I have helped you, show gratitude by helping back to my 3 charities of choice, and the donate button is available on my site. And I shall also have the links to the 3 different charities of my choice, which are Pieta House for Darkness into Light, which has been cancelled, Irish Cancer Society, who are now doing a digital Daffodil Day, I hear, and also Our Lady's Hospice in Harold's Cross in Dublin, Ireland. Now, a lot of people asking, how do you do Google Meet? And even to the stage where a friend, and a shout out to Pam Martin, who is organising a support group for the Irish Lung Fibrosis Association, the ILFA, and her support group want to be able to meet virtually. Of course, because she has lung fibrosis, she can't leave the house. So best wishes to Pam. Anyone who has an underlying medical condition, it's so hard for them. Guys, please, please, please adhere to the social distancing and wash your hands. It's so important. So this is AV Gives Back. This is how to do a Google Hangouts Meet. So firstly, everyone, you need to download the Google Hangouts Meet app, and that is by going to your Apple Store or your Google Play Store and locating Hangouts Meet by Google. Make sure it's Hangouts Meet by Google. And then once installed, you will see Welcome to Meet, and you click Continue. And it will ask you 2 questions. Allow Meet to take pictures and record video. You can allow or deny. I have allowed. And allow Meet to record audio. I have allowed as well. So here I have the app opening, and you can see a picture of me and giving the thumbs up. There we go. So what we do next is we click on New Meeting, and it will join a meeting instantly. You have the share button down the bottom. That share button can go into WhatsApp, Gmail, Tweet, whichever case may be. And also you have the Irish dial-in number and the PIN if someone wants to just dial in by voice. And up the top, meet.google.com/the code, the meeting code. If you give someone a meeting code by email or by text message, and once they have the app and they type in that code, they can join the meeting. So for example, I am going to join as well on my PC, and that's why I'm looking up at the other screen at the moment and typing the code in at the moment. And once I had typed in the code, you will see that 2 people joined in the screen. There's 2 Justins on screen. And there you have it, 2 Justins on screen talking to each other, seeing each other, smiling and waving at each other in 2 different locations. One was my webcam on my PC and the other one was my mobile phone. Google Hangouts Meet allows up to 25 people at a time. So hopefully this will help in some way, shape or form. And if I can be of any more help, please do get in contact with me. Twitter @JustinOrDawson, or visit my website www.JustinOrDawson.com. AV gives back during COVID-19. This is me giving back. Don't forget to donate to my 3 preferred charities to show gratitude in any way, shape or form that I have helped you. Until the next show, take care.